Curve on the surface, line of curvature. A curve on the surface is called the line of curvature. Is tangent at any point of it is along the principal direction at the point 2013 पूछा था. Since at each point on the surface there are two principal directions which are at right angles, so we have two system of lines curvature on the surface, and through each points on the surface there pass two lines of curvature, one from each system. Equation of lines of a curvature. Since the direction of lines of a curvature at any point is along the principal direction at that point, therefore the differential equation of the two system of lines of curvature is same as the equation of principal direction. So their equation is em minus LF question 1 du square plus en minus gl question 1 du dv plus question में fn minus gm question 1 dv square is equal to 0. In view of equation 2 and 3 of arc 6 chapter 3, the differential equation of lines of curvature may also be written as L minus kappa suffix में n e question 1 du plus m minus kappa suffix में n f question 1 dv is equal to 0. m minus kappa suffix में n f question 1 du plus n minus kappa suffix में n g question 1 dv is equal to 0, where kappa suffix में n is one of the principle of curvature. Theorem 1 of the arc chapter 3 may be started as Theorem 1. If at any points of the surface there exist two lines of the curvature, they are orthogonal. Now we stabilize the following. Theorem 2. The necessary and sufficient condition that the parameter curve at a point be along the lines of curvature are that m is equal to 0, f is equal to 0, and L by E not equal to n by g. 2014 proof. The differential equation of the lines of curvature is em minus LF question 1 du square plus en minus gl question 1 du dv plus question में fn minus gm question 1 dv square is equal to 0 1. The combined equation of the parametric curve is du dv is equal to 0. Do suppose that the lines of curvature at point coincide the parametric curve, then the equation 1 and 2 are the same. Hence em minus LF is equal to 0. 3 fn minus gm is equal to 0. 4 en minus gl not equal to 0. 5 equation 5 is equivalent to L बटा के E not equal to n बटा के G. Solving equation 3 and 4 from f and m and using 5 we get f is equal to 0 and m is equal to 0. Conversely, suppose that f is equal to 0, m is equal to 0, and L by E not equal to n by G, en minus gl not equal to 0, then equation 1 from the line of curvature reducing to the form 2, which gives the equation of the parametric curve. Theorem. Then the normal to the any surface of consecutive points of one of the lines of curvature intersect convergently. If the normal at two consecutive point of curve drawn on the surface intersect, the curve is a line of curvature. 2015 proof. Let P of R and Q of R plus dr be two consecutive points on the surface at let n and n plus dn be the components of unit normal vector to the surface of these points. Let the direction of q question में r plus dr be du comma dv. In the case of normal at p and q intersect, then normal at p and q and the line pq must be coplanar. Scalar tripled product of n comma n plus dn and dr should be 0. n comma n plus dn comma dr is equal to 0. n plus dn n p of r q question में r plus dr 2015 में दिया था. Now we have n plus n dn dr is equal to 0, dn is equal to n1 du plus n2 dv, dr is equal to r1 du plus r2 dv. Putting these value 1 in 1 we get n comma n1 du plus n2 dv comma r1 du plus r2 dv is equal to 0. n comma n1 comma r1 question 1 du square plus question में n comma n2 comma r1 plus n comma n1 comma r2 du dv plus question में n comma n2 comma r2 question 1 dv square is equal to 0. Do also from theorem 2 of the article 3 chapter 3 we have एन कामा एन वन कामा आर वन क्वेश्चन वन इक्वल टू ई एम माइनस एफ एल बटा के एच एन कामा एन टू कामा आर वन इक्वल टू ई एन माइनस एफ एम बटा के एच एन कामा एन वन कामा आर टू इक्वल टू एफ एम माइनस जी एल बटा के एच एन कामा एन टू कामा आर टू इक्वल टू एफ एन माइनस जी एम बटा के एच Putting these value in 2 we get em minus fl question 1 du square plus en minus gl question 1 du dv plus fn minus gm question 1 dv square is equal to 0, which is the differential equation of the lines of the curvature. Therefore, if the normal of consecutive point of the curve on the surface intersect, then the curve is the line curvature. Conversely, suppose that the curve is a line curvature. Taking the steps in reverse order, we have n comma dn comma r is equal to 0, which implies that normal at consecutive point of the line of curvature intersect. Theorem 4 Rodriguez formula, a necessary and sufficient condition that a curve on a surface b line of curvature is that dn plus k sub n dr is equal to 0 at each of the point where k sub n denote the normal curvature. 2015 proof. Let a curve on a surface line of curvature, then we have L minus kappa sub n e question 1 du plus m minus kappa sub n f question 1 dv is equal to 0, m minus kappa sub n f question 1 du plus n minus kappa sub n g kappa g question 1 dv is equal to 0. समीकरण नंबर 2 where kappa sub n is one of the original principal curvature. Putting the value of L comma m comma n comma e comma f and g in 1 by definition, L is equal to minus n1 into r1 comma m is equal to minus n1 into r2 is equal to minus n2 into r1 comma n is equal to minus n2 into r2 e is equal to r1 into r1 comma f is equal to r1 into r2 comma g is equal to r2 into r2. We get minus n1 into r1 minus kappa sub n r1 into r1 question 1 du plus question 1 minus n2 into r1 minus kappa sub n r1 into r2 question 1 dv is equal to 0. r n1 du plus n2 dv question 1 r1 plus kappa sub n question में r1 du plus r2 dv question 1 into r1 is equal to 0, dn into r1 plus kappa sub n dr question 1 into r1 is equal to 0, dn plus kappa sub n dr question 1 into r1 is equal to 0. 3 Similarly, from do we have dn plus kappa sub n dr question 1 into r2 is equal to 0. 4 again n into n is equal to 1 and differentiating it gives 2n into dn is equal to 0. dn is the normal to the r. dn is a tangential vector, also dr is a tangential vector, so the vector dn plus kappa sub n dr is tangential vector to the surface. Also r1 and r2 are tangential vector. Therefore, in order that equation 3 and 4 are satisfied, we must have dn plus kappa sub n dr is equal to 0. Conversely, suppose that dn plus kappa sub n dr is equal to 0 along any curve on the surface where kappa sub n is any function, then reversing the order of step, we get equation 3 and 4, which are L minus kappa sub n e question 1 du plus m minus kappa sub n f question 1 dv is equal to 0, m minus kappa sub n f question 1 du plus question में n minus kappa sub n g question 1 dv is equal to 0. Thus, the curve is the curvature in the case k sub n is normal curvature of the surface. Given that dn plus kappa sub n dr is equal to 0, r kappa sub n dr is equal to minus dn kappa sub n question में r1 du plus r2 dv question 1 is equal to minus question में n1 du plus n2 dv. Taking dot product of r1 du plus r2 dv both side, we get kappa sub n question में r1 du plus r2 dv question into r1 du plus r2 dv is equal to minus question में n2 du plus n2 dv question 1 into question में r1 du plus r2 dv. r kappa sub n question में e du square plus 2f d u dv plus g dv square question 1 is equal to l du square plus 2 m du dv plus n dv square. kappa sub n is equal to l du square plus 2 m du dv plus n dv square इस बटा के E du square plus 2 F du dv plus G dv square. Therefore, kappa sub-expansion is the normal curvature at the point u comma v in the direction du comma dv. Hence, the direction at each point of curve in the principal direction, and thus the curve line is curvature on surface. Euler's theorem 2013-2014 दिया statement if psi be the angle between a direction at a point P and the principal direction at E corresponding to the principal curvature K1, then the normal curvature K sub-expansion in the direction is given by kappa sub-expansion K1 cos square psi plus K2 sin square psi. Prove they let the lines of curvature be taken as parametric curve, then m is equal to 0, f is equal to 0, and normal curvature kappa sub-expansion is equal to L क्वेश्चन में du बटा ds का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2m du बटा ds इंटू dv बटा ds प्लस n क्वेश्चन में dv बटा ds का होल स्क्वायर रिड्यूस टू kappa sub-expansion is equal to L क्वेश्चन में du बटा ds का होल स्क्वायर प्लस n क्वेश्चन में dv बटा ds का होल स्क्वायर. इक्वेशन नंबर 1, the principal curvature K1 and K2 are roots of K sub-expansion given by the equation kappa sub-expansion square क्वेश्चन में Eg माइनस f स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में माइनस K kappa sub-expansion क्वेश्चन में En माइनस GL माइनस 2fm क्वेश्चन में प्लस Ln माइनस m स्क्वायर इसको 0 Eg माइनस K sub-expansion स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस kappa sub-expansion क्वेश्चन में En माइनस GL क्वेश्चन में प्लस Ln इसको 0 एज m इसको 0 f इसको 0 kappa sub-expansion स्क्वायर माइनस kappa sub-expansion क्वेश्चन में n बटा के g प्लस l बटा के e क्वेश्चन में प्लस l बटा Ln बटा के Eg इसको 0 kappa sub-expansion माइनस l बटा के e क्वेश्चन में दूसरे क्वेश्चन में kappa sub-expansion माइनस n बटा के g इसको 0 kappa sub-expansion इसको l बटा के e kappa 2 इसको n बटा के g. Do let's E be the curve on the surface in the given direction along which is the unit tangent vector is r dash is equal to t. We know that r1 is the tangent vector along the parametric curve dv is equal to 0 since phi is the tangle between given direction and parametric curve dv is equal to 0 at magnitude of the vector r1 is under root में e. Therefore r1 into t is equal to under root में e cos psi r1 क्वेश्चन में r1 du बटा ds प्लस r2 dv बटा ds is equal to under root में e cos psi e du बटा ds is equal to under root में e cos psi क्वेश्चन में since r1 into r2 is equal to f is equal to 0 cos psi is equal to under root में e du बटा के ds. Similarly equation number 3, similarly if psi is the angle between the direction and parametric curve du is equal to 0, then cos psi is equal to under root में g dv बटा ds. Since the parametric curve are orthogonal, we have psi is equal to pi by 2 minus psi. Therefore sin psi is equal to under root में g dv बटा ds. 4 subtracting 3 and 4 in 1 and using 2 we get K sub-expansion is equal to L बटा के e cos स्क्वायर psi plus n बटा के g sin स्क्वायर psi. kappa sub-expansion is equal to K1 cos square psi plus K2 sin square psi. Dupin theorem, the sum of the normal curvature is two orthogonal direction in equal to the sum of principal curvature at point. Proof let kappa Kn1 and Kn2 denotes the normal curvature in two orthogonal direction on the surface of psi and psi the angle between the first direction and the principal direction dv is equal to 0. Then the angle between the second direction and the principal direction du square is equal to 0 will be pi बटा के 2 minus psi. Thus हम Euler's theorem we have kappa n1 is equal to kappa k1 kappa 1 cos square psi plus kappa 2 sin square psi and kappa n2 is equal to k1 kappa 1 cos square क्वेश्चन में pi बटा 2 minus psi क्वेश्चन में प्लस kappa 2 sin square क्वेश्चन में pi by 2 minus psi kappa n2 is equal to kappa 1 sin square psi plus kappa 2 cos square psi. Hence by adding we get kappa n1 plus kappa n2 is equal to kappa 1 plus kappa 2. Joachimthal theorems. If the curve of intersection of two surfaces is a line of curvature on both the surface, then the surface cut at a constant angle. Conversely, if two surface cuts at a constant angle and the curve of intersection is a line of curvature on one of them, then it is also a line of curvature on the other proof. Suppose that the two surface S1 and S2 intersect in the curve C. Let P any point of curve C whose position vector is R, and let N1 and N2 are the unit normal vector to the surface at P. If case the C is the line curvature of the surface S1, then from Rodriguez formula we have dn1 plus k dr is equal to 0, dn1 बटा ds is equal to minus k, dr बटा ds is equal to minus kt, where t is a unit tangent vector to C at P. Taking both side of above equation by n2, we get n2 into dn1 बटा ds is equal to n2 into question में minus kt is equal to 0 1, since n2 is the perpendicular to the tangent t of C. Similarly, if the curve C is also a line curvature on the other surface S2, then we have n1 dn2 बटा ds is equal to 0. Do let theta be the angle of intersection of the two surface at P, then theta is the angle between the normal to the surface at P. So we have cos theta is equal to n1 into समीकरण नंबर 3 डिफरेंशिएशन 3 we get d by ds क्वेश्चन में cos theta माइनस dn1 बटा ds into n2 plus n1 into dn2 बटा ds is equal to 0 by 1 and 2. Cos theta is equal to constant or theta constant. Conversely, if the angle of intersection theta of the two surface S1 and S2 is constant and the curve C is a line of curvature on the first surface S1, then cos theta is equal to constant d by ds cos theta is equal to dn बटा के ds into n2 plus n1 dn2 बटा ds is equal to 0. 4. Since C is the line of curvature on S1, we have n2 into dn1 बटा ds is equal to 0. Therefore, from 4 we have n1 into dn2 बटा ds is equal to 0. 5. Since n2 is a unit normal vector to the surface S2, n2 into n2 is equal to 1, which gives n2 into dn2 बटा ds is equal to 0. 6. From 5 and 6 we conclude that dn2 बटा ds is perpendicular to the both n1 and n2. Hence it is parallel to the tangent vector t of the curve C. dn2 बटा ds is equal to minus kt, where k is the some scalar. Hence from reuse formula, the curve of intersection is also a line of curvature S2. तीसरा conjugate direction at a point P question में u comma v on a surface R is equal to R question में u comma v may be defined as let P and Q be two neighboring points on the curves of the surface. Let P R be the line of parallel to the line of intersection L of tangent plane at P and Q. The limiting position of the direction PQ and PR as Q tends to QP are called conjugate direction at P. यही है P of R, Q क्वेश्चन में R plus del R. L analytic expression for the two direction to be conjugate. Let R and R plus dr are the position vector of two neighboring point P and Q of the curve of surface. Let del R be an infinitesimal vector along PR, since del R lies in the tangent plane on the surface at P. We have del R is equal to R1 del U plus R2 del V. समीकरण नंबर 1, where del U comma del V be the direction of PR, where R is the point क्वेश्चन में U plus del U comma V plus del V. Let N and N plus Dn be the unit normal vector at P and Q respectively. Then Dn is equal to N1 du plus N2 dv. Do where du comma dv is the initial displacement along PQ in U comma V system. Since the line of intersection L lies plane at P and Q, it is orthogonal to the vector N and N plus Dn. Therefore, del R along PR, which is parallel to the line L, is orthogonal to N and N plus Dn. Here Hence we have n into del r is equal to 0 and n plus dn into del r is equal to 0. These two relation gives dn into del r is equal to 0 3, which after substituting from 1 and 2 gives n1 du plus n2 dv. Question 1 दूसरे क्वेश्चन में r1 du del u plus r2 del v is equal to 0, n1 into r1 del u du del u plus n1 into r2 du del v plus n2 into r2 del u dv plus n2 into r2 is equal to 0 minus l du del u minus m क्वेश्चन में del u dv plus del u del v minus n dv del v is equal to 0 since n1 n1 into r1 is equal to minus l comma n1 into r2 is equal to minus m is equal to n2 into r1 comma n2 into r2 is equal to minus n. Hence the conjugate direction are given by l du del u plus m क्वेश्चन में del u dv plus du del v क्वेश्चन 1 plus n dv del v is equal to 0 4. This is the required condition that direction du dv and del u del v at point P on the surface of conjugate from the form char conjugate direction if follow that conjugate of direction is reciprocal. Theorem 1. If the direction given by P del u square plus q du dv plus r dv square is equal to 0 are conjugate, then lr plus np minus mq is equal to 0. Prove the given quadratic equation may be written as p क्वेश्चन में du बटा के dv का होल स्क्वायर प्लस q du बटा के dv प्लस r is equal to 0 1. Let the two direction given by 1 be represented by du बटा के dv and du बटा के del v, then du बटा के dv and del u बटा के del v are the roots of equation 1. Therefore du बटा के dv plus del u बटा के del v is equal to minus q बटा के p and du बटा के dv minus del u बटा के del v is equal to r by p. Do let the two direction du dv and del u del v be the conjugate, then l du del u plus m क्वेश्चन में del u dv plus m du del v क्वेश्चन 1 plus n dv del v is equal to 0 l du बटा के dv del u बटा के del v plus m क्वेश्चन में del u बटा के del v plus du बटा के dv क्वेश्चन 1 plus n is equal to 0 l क्वेश्चन में r by p plus m क्वेश्चन में minus q by p plus n is equal to 0 lr minus mq plus np is equal to 0. Theorem 2. The necessary and sufficient condition that the parametric curve at a point of a surface be conjugate in that m is equal to 0. Proof. We know that the differential equation of parametric curve is du dv is equal to 0. Comparing this equation with p du square plus q du dv plus r dv square is equal to 0, we find that p is equal to 0, r is equal to 0 and q not equal to 0. Therefore the parametric curve be conjugate if and only if lr minus mq minus np is equal to 0, if and only if mq is equal to 0, if and only if m is equal to 0. Theorem 3. The line of curvature at a point of a surface from an orthogonal conjugate system. Proof. Let the parametric curve be the line of curvature, then we have f is equal to 0, m is equal to 0. Now f is equal to 0 implies that the parametric curve at mutually orthogonal and the m is equal to 0 implies that the parametric curve are mutually conjugate. Hence the theorem is symbolic lines. The direction which are self conjugate are called asymptotic direction, and the curve whose tangent and along asymptotic direction are called asymptotic lines. Let at any point question u comma v the direction of an asymptotic lines be du comma dv, then du comma dv is the self conjugate direction. Therefore putting du comma dv for del u comma del v in the condition of conjugacy of two direction l du del u plus m question में del u dv plus du del v question 1 plus n dv del v plus 0. We have l du square plus 2m du dv plus n dv square is equal to 0. This is the differential equation of the asymptotic polygon lines, we know that the normal curvature at any point is given by k suffix n is equal to L du square plus 2m du dv plus n dv square बटा के e du square plus 2f du dv plus g v square. Therefore, normal curvature vanished from the asymptotic direction. Hence, another definition of asymptotic direction can be taken as the direction along which the normal curvature is zero is called the asymptotic direction. Theorem 1. At every point of the surface, these are two asymptotic directions which are real and distinct, are real and constant or imaginary according as the Gaussian curvature at that point is negative or zero or positive. Proof: let du, dv be the infinitesimal displacement along the asymptotic direction. Then L du square plus 2m du dv plus n dv square is equal to 0. L question du dv बटा dv का whole square plus 2m du बटा dv plus n is equal to 0. Since this equation is quadratic in du bata dv, so it gives two values of du bata dv in general. Hence, we have two asymptotic direction at every point of the surface. At these two asymptotic direction are real and distinct, are real and constant, are imaginary according as m square minus ln is greater than 0 or 0 or less than 0. According as Gaussian curvature k is equal to ln minus m square बटा h square is less than 0 or 0 is equal to 0 or greater than 0. Since h square is greater than 0, always. Theorem 2. The necessary and sufficient condition that two asymptotic direction be orthogonal at every point of the surface is that the surface be minimal. Prove the asymptotic direction given by L du square plus 2m du dv plus n dv square is equal to 0 will be orthogonal if and only if en minus 2 mf plus gl is equal to 0. Refer theorem 1 art 12 chapter 2. That is if and only if means curvature m is equal to en minus 2 fm but plus gl बटा 2h is equal to 0 if and only if the surface be minimal. Theorem 3. The necessary and sufficient condition that the asymptotic line by parametric curve is that L is equal to n is equal to 0 and m not equal to 0. Our 2013 prove the dimensional equation of parametric curve is du dv is equal to 0, equation number 1, and the differential equation of the asymptotic lines is L du square plus 2m du dv plus n dv square is equal to 0. Do in case of parametric curves are asymptotic lines, equation 1 and 2 must be identical. On comparing the coefficient of du square, du dv and dv square, we get L is equal to 0, n is equal to 0 and m not equal to 0. Conversely, if L is equal to 0, n is equal to 0, m not equal to 0, in the equation 2 reduces the equation 1 asymptotic lines are paramagnetic curve. Hence, the theorem 4. The oscillating plane at any point of asymptotic lines in a tangent plane to the surface. Proof: let r is equal to r of s be the curve asymptotic lines on the surface are equal to r question में u comma v. The tangent t is the asymptotic lines perpendicular to the surface normal n. So we have n into t is equal to 0 where t is equal to dr बटा ds. Differentiating with respect to s we get n dash into t plus n into t dash is equal to 0 by using Fresnel's formula. T dash is equal to kappa n and the fact that the points are on the surface. The above relation gives question में n1 du बटा ds plus n2 dv बटा ds question 1 into question में r1 du बटा ds plus r2 dv बटा ds question 1 plus n into kn is equal to 0 r n1 into r1 question में du बटा ds का whole square plus n1 इंटू R2 प्लस N2 इंटू R1 क्वेश्चन 1 du बटा ds dv बटा ds प्लस N2 इंटू R2 क्वेश्चन में dv बटा ds का होल स्क्वायर प्लस k n बटा m इंटू n इक्वल टू 0 माइनस l क्वेश्चन में du बटा ds का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2m du बटा ds dv बटा ds माइनस n क्वेश्चन में dv बटा ds का होल स्क्वायर प्लस कप्पा बड़का n इंटू n स्मॉल n इक्वल टू 0 1 since n1 into r1 is equal to minus l n1 into r2 is equal to minus m is equal to n2 into r1 small r1 n2 into small r2 is equal to minus n. Since the curve is a symbolic line we have l क्वेश्चन में du बटा ds का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2m du बटा ds dv बटा ds प्लस m क्वेश्चन में dv बटा ds का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0 therefore from 1 we get n बड़का n into n small n is equal to 0 and k not equal to 0 since n बड़का n into t small t is equal to 0 n is the perpendicular to both t and n thus n is parallel to the binomial vector and asymptote lines hence n is equal to plus minus b. We choose the direction of b such that n बड़का n is equal to b. Again the equation of a splitting plane to the curve r is equal to r of s at any point r is given by बड़का r minus small r question 1 into b is equal to 0 and the equation of tangent plane to the surface at this point is given by बड़का r minus small r question 1 into n is equal to 0. The relation n is equal to b mark these points planes coincidence at the points of the curve on the surface and hence we have the theorem formula for the curvature of torsion and asymptotic lines. We have that the unit binomial is an asymptotic lines is in the unit surface normal n b is equal to n. Therefore differentiating it with respect to the arc length s of the asymptotic lines we get b dash is equal to n dash r minus tau n is equal to n dash. Taking that product of both sides of equation with n we get minus tau n into n is equal to n dash into n tau is equal to minus n dash into n is equal to b cross t is equal to n cross t. Therefore tau is equal to minus n dash into question में n cross t is equal to n dash t n dash r dash. Again we know that t dash is equal to kn, so that taking that product of both sides with n we get k is equal to t dash dot n is equal to t dash into क्वेश्चन में n क्रॉस t क्वेश्चन 1 इक्वल टू n t dash k इक्वल टू n r dash r डबल डैश. थ्योरम ऑफ बेल्ट्रमी ऑफ इनिपर statement at a point of surface where Gaussian curvature is negative and is equal to k, the torsion of asymptotic lines is plus minus under root में minus k. Proof the torsion tau of the asymptotic lines is given by tau is equal to क्वेश्चन में n dash r dash. Now n dash is equal to n1 du बटा ds plus n2 dv बटा ds is equal to n1 u dash plus n2 v dash r dash is equal to r1 du बटा ds plus r2 dv बटा ds is equal to r1 u dash plus r2 v dash. n चूँकि n dash क्रॉस r dash is equal to n1 u dash plus n2 v dash क्वेश्चन 1 क्रॉस r1 u dash plus r2 v dash is equal to n1 गुणे क्रॉस r1 क्वेश्चन 1 u dash स्क्वायर प्लस n1 क्रॉस r2 प्लस n2 क्रॉस r1 क्वेश्चन 1 u dash v dash प्लस n2 क्रॉस r2 v dash स्क्वायर. टाउ इक्वल टू n इंटू क्वेश्चन में n डैश क्रॉस r डैश इक्वल टू n n1 r1 क्वेश्चन 1 u डैश स्क्वायर प्लस क्वेश्चन में n1 r2 प्लस n2 r1 क्वेश्चन 1 u डैश v डैश प्लस n2 r2 क्वेश्चन में v डैश स्क्वायर इक्वल टू em माइनस एफ एल बटा के एच यू डैश स्क्वायर प्लस क्वेश्चन में एफ एम माइनस जी एल बटा के एच प्लस ई एन माइनस एफ एम बटा के एच क्वेश्चन 1 यू डैश v डैश प्लस एफ एन माइनस जी एम बटा के एच v डैश स्क्वायर. By using theorem 2 of the arc chapter 3 is equal to em minus fl बटा के एच u dash स्क्वायर प्लस en माइनस gl बटा के एच u dash v dash प्लस fn माइनस gm बटा के एच v dash स्क्वायर. Now suppose the asymptoting lines are taken as the parametric curve, then एल इक्वल टू 0, एन इक्वल टू 0, एम नॉट इक्वल टू 0, टाउ इक्वल टू एम बटा के एच क्वेश्चन में ई यू डैश स्क्वायर माइनस जी वी डैश स्क्वायर. For the asymptotic lines u equal to constant, we have u dash equal to 0. For the asymptotic lines u equal to constant, tau equal to minus m bata k g v dash square. Again from first fundamental, from we have L1 equal to e u dash square plus e2 f u dash v dash plus g v dash square. Therefore from the curve u equal to constant, we have u dash equal to 0 and g v dash equal to 1 square equal to 1. Therefore for u equal to constant, tau equal to minus m bata k. Again the asymptotic lines v equal to constant, we have v dash equal to 0 and e u dash square equal to 1. Therefore for v equal to constant, we have tau equal to m bata k. Do again Gaussian curvature k equal to n minus m square bata k h square equal to minus m square bata k h square, or m bata k h equal to plus minus under root minus k. Since L is equal to 0, N is equal to 0, thus from 1 and 2 we have J is equal to plus minus under root में minus k, R tau square is equal to minus k. Nil lines and minimal lines. A curve of the surface of 0 lines is called null lines or minimal lines. Therefore the differentiating equation of the null lines is e du square plus 2 f du dv plus e dv square is equal to 0, which is obtained by equating to 0 the square of the alignment theorem 1. At a given point of the surface there are two null lines and both are imaginary. Prove the differential equation of null lines may be written as e क्वेश्चन में du बटा dv का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2 f du बटा dv प्लस g इक्वल टू 0, du बटा dv इक्वल टू माइनस f प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट में f स्क्वायर माइनस eg बटा के e इक्वल टू माइनस f प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट में माइनस h स्क्वायर बटा के e. दिस इक्वेशन शो दैट देयर आर इन द जनरल टू नल लाइन्स थ्रू ए गिवन points on the surface, but they are imaginary on the real surface because for the real h square is greater than 0. Theorem 2. The necessary and sufficient condition that the parametric curve are null lines are e equal to g equal to f not equal to 0. Prove if the parametric curve lines means we have e equal to 0, g equal to 0 and f not equal to 0. Putting these value in the formula for the principal curvature k suffix n square क्वेश्चन में eg minus f square क्वेश्चन 1 minus k suffix n क्वेश्चन में en minus gl minus 2fm क्वेश्चन 1 plus ln minus m square equal to 0. we get minus f square k suffix n square plus 2 f m k suffix n plus ln minus m square equal to 0. f square k suffix में n स्क्वायर माइनस 2 f m k suffix में n माइनस क्वेश्चन में l n माइनस m स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0, which is 1 given the principal curvature. The differential equation of the lines curvature em minus lf question 1 du square plus en minus gl question 1 du dv plus question में fn minus gm question 1 dv square equal to 0, which after putting e equal to 0, g equal to 0, f not equal to 0, reducing to l du square minus l n dv square equal to 0, which is the equation to theorem 4. The null lines of the minimal surface of conjugate. Proof the differential equation of the null lines is d e du square plus 2 f du dv plus g dv square equal to 0. e क्वेश्चन में du बटा के dv का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2 f du बटा के dv प्लस g इक्वल टू 0. let du comma dv and del u and del v be the initial displacement along two null lines, then du बटा dv and del u बटा del v are the roots of the equation 1. Therefore du बटा dv plus del u बटा del v plus minus 2 is equal to minus 2f बटा e and du बटा dv into del u बटा del v is equal to g बटा e. Since the surface is minimal, we have en minus en plus gl minus 2fm is equal to 0, g बटा के e l minus 2f बटा के e m plus n is equal to 0, r l du बटा के dv into del u बटा के del v plus m क्वेश्चन में du बटा के dv plus del u बटा के del v क्वेश्चन में plus n is equal to 0, r l du del u plus m क्वेश्चन में du del v plus del u dv क्वेश्चन में plus n dv del v is equal to 0. Therefore the null lines are conjugate isometric lines. When the matrix of the curvature assume the form ds square is equal to lambda question में du square plus dv square, the parameter u and v are called isometric parameter. Lambda is the function of u comma v are constant. Such parameter curves are called isometric lines. Theorem 1. If the matrix has the form ds square is equal to f du square plus g dv square, where f is the function u and g is the function of v and parametric are isometrics, proof changing the parameter to u comma v by the transformer du is equal to under root में f du comma dv is equal to under root में g dv. We find that the matrix became ds square is equal to du square plus dv square, which so that u comma v are isometric parameter. The parametric curve remain the same because the curve u is equal to constant and v is equal to constant are identical to the curve u is equal to constant and v is equal to constant respectively. Thus when the matrix in the form of 2, it may be reduced to the form 1 without alternation of parametric curve. Hence the parameter curves are isometric. Theorem 2. The necessary and sufficient condition that the parametric curve be isometrics are that f is equal to 0, del u बटा del u del v क्वेश्चन 1 log e बटा g is equal to 0. Proof. Let the parametric curve be isometrics, then ds square is equal to f du square plus g dv square, where f is the function of u and g in the function of v. Therefore e is equal to f is equal to 0, g is equal to छोटका g, e बटा के g is equal to f बटा के g और log क्वेश्चन में e बटा के g is equal to log f minus log g del square del u del v log e बटा के g is equal to 0 and f is equal to 0. Conversely, if f is equal to 0 and del square del u del v log e बटा के g is equal to 0, then integrating second equation with respect to u we get del u डेभा u बटा के डेभा v log e बटा के g is equal to phi of v. On integrating again with respect to v we get log e बटा के g is equal to समाकलन phi of v dv plus f1 u is equal to f1 u plus f2 v, where f2 v is equal to समाकलन phi of v dv. The right hand side of the above equation can be written as log e बटा के g is equal to log u minus log v, where f1 of u is equal to log u and f2 of v is equal to log v, so that u is the function of u and v is the function of v. Hence we get e बटा के g is equal to u बटा के v. चूँकि e बटा के u is equal to g बटा के v is equal to lambda से e is equal to lambda u and g is equal to lambda v, ds square is equal to e del du square plus 2f du dv plus e dv square is equal to lambda क्वेश्चन में u du square plus v dv square since this so that parametric curve is isometric. Example 1, so that the meridian of parallel of the surface of revolution and are its lines of curvature. Also find the principal radii of the surface. Solution: the equation of the surface of revolution are equal to u cos v, u sin v, f of u. The fundamental magnitude of the surface are given by of चैप्टर 3 इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस एफ डैश का होल स्क्वायर कामा एफ इज इक्वल टू 0, जी इज इक्वल टू यू स्क्वायर, एल इज इक्वल टू एफ डबल डैश बटा के अंडर रूट में 1 प्लस एफ डैश का होल स्क्वायर, एम इज इक्वल टू 0, एन इज इक्वल टू यू एफ डैश बटा के अंडर रूट में 1 प्लस एफ डैश का होल स्क्वायर. सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग दीज वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन ऑन द लाइन ऑन द कर्वेचर ई एम माइनस एल एफ क्वेश्चन डी यू स्क्वायर प्लस ई एन माइनस जी एल क्वेश्चन डी यू डी वी प्लस एफ एन माइनस जी एम क्वेश्चन डी वी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0. वी गेट 1 प्लस एफ डैश स्क्वायर यू एफ डैश बटा के अंडर रूट में 1 प्लस एफ डैश स्क्वायर माइनस यू स्क्वायर एफ डबल डैश बटा के अंडर रूट में 1 प्लस एफ डैश का होल स्क्वायर डी यू डी वी इक्वल टू 0, डी यू डी वी इक्वल टू 0. सो द टू लाइन्स ऑफ कर्वेचर आर यू कांस्टेंट एंड वी कांस्टेंट. दिस सो दैट the radian are parallel to the of the surface of revolution are the lines of curvature. Since f is equal to 0, m is equal to 0, the principal curvature are given by k suffix में n स्क्वायर माइनस k suffix में n क्वेश्चन में l बटा के e प्लस n बटा के g क्वेश्चन 1 प्लस l n बटा के e g इक्वल टू 0, k n1 इक्वल टू l बटा के e एंड k n2 इक्वल टू l n बटा के g, रो 1 इक्वल टू 1 बटा के k n2 इक्वल टू e बटा के l इक्वल टू 1 प्लस f डैश का स्क्वायर कहते 3 बटा 2 बटा के f डबल डैश, रो 2 इक्वल टू 1 बाई k n2 इक्वल टू g बटा के n इक्वल टू u क्वेश्चन में अंडर रूट में 1 प्लस f डैश का होल स्क्वायर बटा के f डैश. Example: to prove that the any point of the surface the sum of radii of the normal curvature is conjugate direction in constant. Solution: let the lines of curvature be taken parametric curve, then e is equal to 0, m is equal to 0. Let du comma dv and del u comma del v be to conjugate direction through any point p question में u comma v, then l du del u plus m क्वेश्चन में del u dv plus du del v plus n du dv del v इक्वल टू 0, l du del v plus n dv del u v इक्वल टू 0. since m इक्वल टू 0, del u बटा के n dv इक्वल टू माइनस del v बटा के l du इक्वल टू लेमडा से 1 इक्वेशन. अगेन द नॉर्मल कर्वेचर के कप्पा सिविक्स में n and p in the direction du comma dv is given by कप्पा सिविक्स में n इक्वल टू l du स्क्वायर प्लस n dv स्क्वायर बटा के e du स्क्वायर प्लस g dv स्क्वायर. since e इक्वल टू m इक्वल टू 0, suppose that rho 1 and rho 2 are the radii of the normal curvature at p in the conjugate direction du comma dv and del u comma del v respectively, then rho 1 इक्वल टू e du स्क्वायर प्लस g dv स्क्वायर बटा के l du स्क्वायर प्लस n dv स्क्वायर, रो 2 इक्वल टू e del u स्क्वायर प्लस g del v स्क्वायर बटा के l du स्क्वायर प्लस n del v स्क्वायर. On substituting the value of del u comma del v from 1 and 3, we get रो 2 इक्वल टू e n स्क्वायर del v स्क्वायर प्लस जी एल स्क्वायर डी यू स्क्वायर बटा के ई एल एन स्क्वायर डी वी स्क्वायर प्लस एन एल स्क्वायर डी यू स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ई एन स्क्वायर डी वी स्क्वायर प्लस जी एल स्क्वायर डी यू स्क्वायर बटा के एल एन क्वेश्चन में एन डी वी स्क्वायर प्लस एन एल डी यू स्क्वायर. समीकरण नंबर 4, एडिंग 2 and 4 वी गेट रो 1 प्लस रो 2 इक्वल टू एल एन क्वेश्चन में ई डी यू स्क्वायर प्लस जी डी वी स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन 1 प्लस ई एन स्क्वायर डी वी स्क्वायर प्लस जी एल स्क्वायर डी यू स्क्वायर बटा के एल एन क्वेश्चन में एल डी यू स्क्वायर प्लस एन डी वी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एन ई प्लस जी एल क्वेश्चन 1 एल डी यू स्क्वायर प्लस क्वेश्चन में एन ई प्लस जी एल क्वेश्चन 1 एन डी वी स्क्वायर बटा के एल एन क्वेश्चन में एल डी यू स्क्वायर प्लस एन डी वी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एन ई प्लस जी एल बटा के एल एन इक्वल टू इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ कंजुगेट डायरेक्शन डी यू कामा डी वी एंड डेल यू कामा डेल बी रो 1 प्लस रो 2 इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट. एग्जांपल 3, प्रूव दैट द नॉर्मल कर्वेचर इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर टू एन asymptotes lines is twice this means the normal curvature. So let du comma dv is the symbolic lines then the normal curvature is direction. Du comma dv is कप्पा सिविक्स में एन इक्वल टू एल डी यू स्क्वायर प्लस 2 एम डी यू डी वी प्लस एन डी वी स्क्वायर बटा कर ई डी यू स्क्वायर प्लस 2 एफ du dv plus g dv square is equal to 0. Again by Euler's theorem we have kappa sine x is equal to 0, kappa k1 cos square psi is equal to kappa k2 sin square psi, where psi is the single angle between the asymptote line and parametric curve is equal to constant. Now take kappa is the curvature along the direction perpendicular to the asymptotic lines. Then by Euler's theorem kappa is equal to kappa 1 cos स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में 90 प्लस साई प्लस कप्पा 2 साइन स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में 90 प्लस साई इक्वल टू कप्पा 1 साइन स्क्वायर साई प्लस कप्पा 2 cos स्क्वायर साई एडिंग 1 and 2 वी गेट कप्पा इक्वल टू कप्पा 1 प्लस कप्पा 2 इक्वल टू 2 क्वेश्चन में कप्पा 1 प्लस कप्पा 2 बटा 2 इक्वल टू 2 मीन नॉर्मल कर्वेचर एट पी. एग्जांपल फॉर फाइंड द सिंबॉलिक लाइंस ऑन द सरफेस z इक्वल टू y sin x consider x comma y and parametric. The parametric equation of the given curve is r is equal to question में x comma y sin x, r1 is equal to 1 comma 0 comma y cos x, r2 is equal to 0 comma 1 comma sin x, r11 is equal to 0 comma 0 comma minus y sin x, r12 is equal to 0 comma 0 comma cos x, r22 is equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0. चूँकि e is equal to r1 into r1 is equal to 1 plus y square cos square x comma y f is equal to r1 into r2 is equal to y sin x into cos x, g is equal to r2 into r2 is equal to 1 plus sin square x, n is equal to r1 plus r2 बटा के h is equal to 1 by h क्वेश्चन में माइनस y cos x comma minus sin x comma 1, l is equal to n into r11 is equal to y minus y sin x बटा के h comma m is equal to n into r12 इक्वल टू cos x बटा के एच, n इक्वल टू n इंटू r22 इक्वल टू 0. द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ एसिम्प्टोट लाइज इज l du स्क्वायर प्लस 2m du dv प्लस n dv स्क्वायर, वेयर u इक्वल टू x v इक्वल टू y माइनस y sin x बटा के एच dx स्क्वायर प्लस 2 cos x बटा के एच dx dy इक्वल टू 0. dx क्वेश्चन में माइनस y sin x dx प्लस 2 cos x dy इक्वल टू 0, dx इक्वल टू 0, which gives x equal to constant equal to c1 minus y sin x dx plus 2 cos x dy equal to 0 minus tan x dx plus 2 dy बटा y equal to 0, which gives log cos x plus log y square equal to constant log c2 से r y square cos x equal to c2, hence x equal to c1 and y square cos x equal to c2 are asymptotic lines. Example 5 show that all straight line on the surface of asymptotic lines. Solution: let the equation of the surface be given by r equal to r question में u comma b and let r equal to r of s be a straight line lying on the surface. Let n be the unit normal vector to the surface at any point p on the straight line. If t is the unit tangent along the straight line, then n into t is equal to 0. Differentiating this with respect to s, we get बड़का n इंटू डी टी बटा डी एस प्लस डी एन बटा डी टी इंटू टी इक्वल टू 0 n इंटू के एन प्लस डी एन बटा के डी टी इंटू टी इक्वल टू 0. सिंस द कर्व ऑफ द सरफेस इज स्ट्रेट लाइन सो के इक्वल टू 0, देयरफॉर एबव इक्वेशन रिड्यूसिंग टू डी एन बटा डी टी इंटू टी इक्वल टू 0, आर डी एन बटा डी टी इंटू आर डैश इक्वल टू 0, आर एन वन डी यू बटा डी एस प्लस एन टू डी वी बटा डी एस क्वेश्चन 1. दूसरे क्वेश्चन में आर वन डी यू बटा डी एस प्लस आर टू डी वी बटा डी एस इक्वल टू 0, एन वन इंटू आर वन क्वेश्चन में डी यू बटा डी एस का होल स्क्वायर प्लस एन टू इंटू आर वन प्लस एन वन इंटू आर टू क्वेश्चन 1 डी यू बटा डी एस डी वी बटा डी एस इक्वल टू प्लस एन टू इंटू आर टू क्वेश्चन में डी वी बटा डी एस का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0, आर एल क्वेश्चन में डी यू बटा डी एस का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2m डी यू बटा डी एस डी वी बटा डी एस प्लस एन क्वेश्चन में डी वी बटा डी एस का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. हेंस आर इक्वल टू आर ऑफ एस इज द सिंबॉलिक लाइंस ऑन द गिवन सरफेस. Thus every straight line on a surface is the symbolic lines. Example show that the parametric curve are conjugate on the surface. R is equal to question में u cos phi comma u sin phi comma f of u. Here u and phi are parameter. R1 is equal to question में cos phi comma sin phi comma f dash. R2 इक्वल टू माइनस साइन फाई कमा यू कास फाई कमा 0 n इक्वल टू R1 क्रॉस R2 बटा के एच इक्वल टू 1 बाई एच क्वेश्चन में माइनस यू एफ डैश कास फाई कमा माइनस यू एफ डैश साइन फाई कमा यू R12 इक्वल टू माइनस साइन फाई कमा कास फाई कमा 0 m इक्वल टू n इंटू R12 इक्वल टू 1 बाई एच क्वेश्चन में यू एफ डैश साइन फाई इंटू कास फाई माइनस यू एफ डैश साइन फाई कास फाई इक्वल टू 0. We know that m इक्वल टू 0 is the necessary and sufficient condition for the parametric to conjugate. Hence the on the surface or parametric conjugate fundamental equation of the surface theory. In the section we will derive the relation between the fundamental magnitude E comma F comma G and L comma M comma N and each point of the surface of three vector R1 comma R2 and N form a basis of the three-dimensional vector space. Therefore every vector can be expressed as linear combination of these vectors. The expression of derivative of n gives the Garden equation which have been derived in theorem 1 and article 3 chapter 3. The expression of derivative of R1 and R2 will give the Gauss equation which will be derived in the section Gauss equation. The following partial differential equation of the surface theory are called Gauss equation. R11 is equal to Ln plus L R1 plus L R2. R12 is equal to Mn plus M R1 plus mu R2. R22 is equal to N बड़का n plus N R1 plus mu R2. R11 R12 R22 L Mn कॉलम में L mu L Mn R फिर दूसरे क्वेश्चन में R1 R2 N where L कामा M कामा N and delta कामा lambda कामा mu कामा rho mu are suitable function E comma F comma G and their partial derivative with respect to U and V. Proof. We know that L comma M comma N are the solved part of R11 comma R12 comma R22 along the normal to the surface. Therefore we may write R11 is equal to Ln plus L R1 plus L R2. समीकरण नंबर 1 R12 is equal to Mn plus M R1 plus mu R2. समीकरण नंबर 2 R22 is equal to बड़का n plus N R1 plus mu R2. 3 where L comma M comma N comma L comma mu comma V comma and to be determined as follow. Taking dot product of both sides of 1 with R1 and R2 successively with get R1 into R11 is equal to L R1 into N plus L R1 into R1 plus L R1 into R2. R2 into R11 is equal to L R2 into N plus L R2 into R1 plus L R2 into R2. समीकरण नंबर 4 since R1 into बड़का n is equal to 0 R2 into बड़का n and R1 into R2 is equal to E comma R1 into R2 is equal to F R2 into R2 is equal to G. The equation 4 we can put as R1 into R11 is equal to LE plus LF. R2 is equal into R11 is equal to LF plus LG. Equation number 5. Now R1 into R11 plus is equal to 1 by 2 del by delta U. Question में R1 into R1 question 1 is equal to 1 by 2 delta by delta U. E is equal to 1 by 2 E1 and R2 into R11 is equal to delta by delta U. Question में R1 into R2 question 1 minus R1 into R12 is equal to delta by delta U. F into minus 1 by 2 delta by delta V. Question में R1 into R1 question 1 is equal to F1 minus 1 by 2 E2. Putting these value of R1 into R11 and R2 into R11 in 5 we have 1 by 2 E1 is equal to L E plus lambda F. F1 minus 1 by 2 E2 is equal to LF plus LG. Solving equation 6 for L and delta we have L is equal to 1 by 2 H square. Question में E1 minus 2 F1 plus 2 F E2. Question में lambda is equal to 1 by 2 H square. Question में 2 E F1 minus E E2 minus E F E1. 7 to find the value of m and mu taking dot product of both sides up to with the vector r1 and r2 respectively success r1 into r12 is equal to m e plus mu f, r2 into r12 is equal to m f plus mu g. Again r1 into r12 is equal to 1 by 2 डिवा बाई डिवा भी क्वेश्चन में r1 into r1 क्वेश्चन 1 into is equal to 1 by 2 डिवा बाई डिवा भी e is equal to 1 by e2 1 by 2 e2 and r2 into r12 is equal to 1 by 2 डिवा बाई डिवा u क्वेश्चन में r2 into r2 is equal to 1 by 2 डिवा बाई डिवा u g is equal to 1 by 2 g2. Putting this value of r1 into r12 and r2 into r12 in R we have 1 by 2 e2 is equal to m e plus mu f comma 1 by 2 g2 is equal to m f plus mu g. Solving this equation solving this equation of m and mu we get m is equal to 1 by 2 h square. Question में e g e2 minus f g1 question में mu is equal to 1 by 2 h square. question में e g1 minus f e2. समीकरण नंबर 9 to find the value of n and mu we take dot product of both sides thin with r1 and r2 successively, then we get r1 into r22 is equal to n e plus mu f, r2 into r22 is equal to n f बढ़ाया प्लस म्यू जी. नाउ r1 into r22 is equal to 1 by डेभा भी क्वेश्चन में r1 into r2 क्वेश्चन में माइनस r12 is equal to into r2 is equal to डेभा बाई डेभा भी f minus 1 by 2 डेभा बाई डेभा u क्वेश्चन में r2 into r2 is equal to f2 minus 1 by 2 g1 and r2 into r22 is equal to 1 by 2 डिवा बाई डिवा भी क्वेश्चन में r2 into r2 क्वेश्चन 1 is equal to 1 by 2 g2. therefore the equation 10 we can write as f2 minus 1 by 2 g1 is equal to n बढ़ा i plus mu f comma 1 by 2 g2 is equal to n बढ़ा f plus mu g. solving for n and v we get n is equal to 1 by 2 h square. क्वेश्चन में 2 g f2 minus 2 g g1 minus f g2 v is equal to 1 by 2 h square. क्वेश्चन में e g2 minus 2 f f2 plus f g1. corollary if the parametric curve of the orthogonal then f is equal to 0 and h square is equal to eg. thus the value of l comma m comma n comma lambda comma mu and reducing to l is equal to e1 बटा के 2e comma m is equal to e2 बटा के 2e comma n is equal to minus g1 बटा के 2e lambda is equal to minus e2 बटा के 2g comma mu is equal to 1 by 2 g1 बटा के g mu is equal to 1 by 2 g2 बटा के g. therefore in the case of Gaussian formula reducing to r1 is equal to ln plus e1 बटा के 2e r1 minus e2 बटा के 2g r2 r12 is equal to mn plus e2 बटा के 2e r1 plus g1 बटा के 2g r2 r22 is equal to n बढ़ाया माइनस g1 बटा के 2e r1 प्लस g2 बटा के 2g r2. गॉस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन स्टेटमेंट द गॉसियन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन t स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1 by 2 क्वेश्चन में 2 f12 माइनस e सफिक्स में 2 माइनस g11 क्वेश्चन 1 प्लस m स्क्वायर e प्लस 2 m म्यू f प्लस म्यू स्क्वायर g माइनस l सफिक्स में e प्लस l म्यू प्लस लैम्डा n f प्लस l म्यू g where t square is equal to ln minus m square. proof from Gauss formula we have r suffix में 1 is equal to ln minus l r1 plus l r2 r12 is equal to mn plus m r1 plus mu r2 r22 is equal to n बढ़ा n plus n small r1 plus mu r2 r11 into r22 is equal to ln plus question l r1 plus lambda r2 question 1 into n बढ़ा n plus n r1 plus mu r2 is equal to l बढ़ा n plus in e plus question l v plus lambda n question f plus l lambda mu g. r सफिक्स में 1 2 इसका स्क्वायर इक्वल टू r12 इंटू r12 इक्वल टू m स्क्वायर प्लस m स्क्वायर e प्लस 2 m म्यू f प्लस म्यू स्क्वायर g. चूँकि r11 इंटू r22 माइनस r12 का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ln माइनस m स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन 1 प्लस क्वेश्चन में इन e प्लस क्वेश्चन में l म्यू प्लस लैम्डा n क्वेश्चन 1 f प्लस l म्यू g माइनस क्वेश्चन में m स्क्वायर e प्लस m म्यू f प्लस म्यू स्क्वायर g. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 now we shall find of r suffix में 1 1 into r suffix में 2 2 minus r suffix में 1 2 square in term of fundamental magnetic and their derivative, since E is equal to R1 into R1 is equal to R1 square, E2 is equal to 2 R1 into R12 and E22 is equal to 2 suffix में R12 into R12 plus 2 R1 into R suffix में 122 again from G is equal to R2 into R2 is equal to R2 suffix में का whole square, we get G1 is equal to 2 suffix में R2 into 1 R suffix में 12 and G11 is equal to 2 R suffix में 12 into R suffix में 12 plus 2 R2 into R suffix में 112 and F is equal to R1 into R2 gives F1 is equal to R suffix में 11 into R2 plus R1 into R12 F R12 is equal to R suffix में 11 into R suffix में 22 plus F suffix में R12 into R2 plus F R suffix में 12 into R12 plus R1 into R22 therefore 2 F suffix में 12 minus E suffix में 22 minus G suffix में 11 equal to 2 क्वेश्चन में R suffix में 11 into R suffix में 22 minus R suffix में 12 into R suffix में 22 12 R suffix में 11 into R suffix में 22 minus R suffix में 12 square is equal to 1/2 क्वेश्चन में 2 F suffix में 12 minus E suffix में 22 minus G suffix में 11 and putting this value of R suffix में 11 into R suffix में 22 minus R suffix में 12 square in 1 we get 1/2 क्वेश्चन में 2 F suffix में 12 minus 2 E suffix में 22 minus G suffix में 11 is equal to Ln minus M square क्वेश्चन में plus in E plus LV plus L lambda n क्वेश्चन में F plus lambda mu G minus M square E plus 2 M mu F plus mu square G Ln minus M square is equal to 1/2 क्वेश्चन में 2 F suffix में 12 minus E suffix में 22 minus G suffix में 11 plus M square E plus M 2 M mu F plus 2 M mu square G minus in plus LV plus F क्वेश्चन में LG theorem on the Gaussian curvature K at the point of surface independent of second fundamental form but depends on the first fundamental form of its partial derivative of the first and second order with respect to parameter proof the Gaussian characteristic equation Ln minus M square is 1/2 क्वेश्चन में 2 F suffix में 12 minus E suffix में 22 minus G11 plus M square E plus 2 M mu F plus mu square G minus in E plus क्वेश्चन में L V plus Ln क्वेश्चन में F L lambda mu G the Gaussian curvature K is given by K is equal to T square बटा H square where T square is equal to Ln minus M square and H square is equal to EG minus M square therefore K is equal to 1/H square क्वेश्चन में 1/2 क्वेश्चन में 2 F suffix में 12 minus E suffix में 22 minus G11 क्वेश्चन 1 plus M square E plus 2 M mu F plus U square G minus in plus क्वेश्चन में L V plus Ln lambda n comma क्वेश्चन 1 F plus lambda mu G since L comma M comma N comma lambda mu and function first fundamental E comma F comma G and their partial derivative first with respect to parameter so K is the function of the fundamental function of the derivative of first and second मेनार्डी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन 2014 पूछा है स्टेटमेंट द इक्वेशन L2 minus M1 is equal to M बड़का L माइनस L क्वेश्चन में L माइनस U क्वेश्चन में M माइनस N M2 माइनस N1 इक्वल टू L माइनस क्वेश्चन में M माइनस म्यू क्वेश्चन में M माइनस म्यू N आर कॉल्ड मिनर्जी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन प्रूफ कंसीडर द आइडेंटिटी डेवा बाई डेवा V R11 इक्वल डेवा बाई डेवा U R12 putting the value of R suffix 11 and R suffix 12 as Gauss formula in one we get deva by deva भी क्वेश्चन में L n plus L R1 plus lambda R2 equal to deva by deva U क्वेश्चन में M n plus M R1 plus mu R2 R L2 n plus L n2 plus L2 R1 plus L R suffix 12 plus lambda 2 R2 plus lambda R suffix 22 equal to M1 n plus M n1 plus M1 R1 plus M R suffix 11 plus mu 1 R2 plus mu R suffix 12 2 substituting the value of R suffix 11 comma R suffix 12 comma R suffix 22 are Gaussian formula and the value of n1 and n2 are the Westergaard equation, namely n1 is equal to fm minus gl बटा के h square r1 plus fn l minus em बटा के h square r2, n2 is equal to fn minus gm बटा के h square r1 plus fm minus gn बटा के h square r2. In the identity 2 we get l2 n plus l कोष्टक में fn minus gm बटा के h square कोष्टक में r1 plus l कोष्टक में fm minus en बटा के h square कोष्टक में r2 plus l2 r1 plus l कोष्टक में mn प्लस m सफिक्स में r1 प्लस न्यू r2 कोष्टक में प्लस लेमडा 2 r2 प्लस लेमडा कोष्टक में n बड़का n प्लस n r1 प्लस म्यू r2 इसको टू m1 n प्लस m कोष्टक में m माइनस gl बटा के h स्क्वायर कोष्टक में r1 प्लस m कोष्टक में l माइनस em बटा के h स्क्वायर कोष्टक में r2 इसको टू m1 r1 प्लस m कोष्टक में ln माइनस ln प्लस l r1 प्लस लेमडा r2 कोष्टक में प्लस म्यू r1 म्यू1 r2 प्लस म्यू कोष्टक में mn प्लस r1 प्लस म्यू r2. Since the vector n comma r1 comma r2 are linearly independent non-planar vectors, so equating the coefficient of n on the both sides we get l2 plus lm plus lambda n is equal to m1 plus ml plus mu m r l2 minus m1 is equal to ml minus कोष्टक में l minus mu कोष्टक में m minus l lambda n, which is the first Marandi-Kaji equation of the considered identity deva by deva v कोष्टक में r12 is equal to deva by deva u r22. Question number 3, putting the value of r12 and r22 are Gaussian formula in 3 we get डेभा बाई डेभा भी कोष्टक में m1 mn प्लस m r1 प्लस m म्यू r2 इक्वल टू डेभा बाई डेभा यू कोष्टक में n बड़का n प्लस n r1 प्लस म्यू r2 m2 n प्लस m2 r1 प्लस m2 m n2 प्लस m r इसमें 1 2 प्लस म्यू r2 प्लस म्यू r3 2 इक्वल टू n1 बड़का n प्लस n1 r1 प्लस म्यू r2 प्लस n n1 प्लस m n स्मॉल n r11 प्लस म्यू r12 4. Substituting in 4 value of r suffix 11 comma r suffix 22 comma r suffix 12 हम Gaussian formula and for n1 comma n2 and Western equation we get m2 n plus m2 r1 plus mu2 r2 plus m कोष्टक में fn माइनस gm बटा के h स्क्वायर r1 प्लस fm माइनस en बटा के h स्क्वायर r2 प्लस m कोष्टक में fn प्लस m r1 प्लस म्यू r2 कोष्टक में प्लस म्यू कोष्टक में n बड़का n प्लस n r1 प्लस म्यू r2 इक्वल टू n1 बड़का n प्लस n1 r1 प्लस म्यू r1 म्यू1 r12 प्लस n कोष्टक में fm माइनस gl बटा के h स्क्वायर r1 प्लस fl माइनस gm बटा के h स्क्वायर r2 प्लस n कोष्टक में ln प्लस l r1 प्लस l लेमडा r2 कोष्टक में प्लस म्यू कोष्टक में m n प्लस m r1 प्लस म्यू r2. Equating the coefficient of n both side we get m2 plus m बड़का m प्लस म्यू n इक्वल टू n1 प्लस nl प्लस म्यू m m2 माइनस n1 इक्वल टू nl माइनस कोष्टक में m v m minus mu n, which is the second Marandi-Kaji equation. Complete.